Alicia Black, baby. Listen, morning light I rise again, open my chest, fire within. Even when the road feel cold, my heart stay brave, my spirit bold. I come from dust, I come from truth, from real life pain, real life youth. No chain fit hold my destiny. I breathe in love, I walk in free. No fear in my melody, no silence over me. I choose the light, I choose to stand. Freedom written in my hand, free by nature. Dance through storms, I smile through rain, turn every scar into gain. My roots deep in African soil, blessed by grace, built by toil. I know my worth, I know my name. I know they beg, I know they shame. This is my life, my liberty. A woman's voice, strong and free. If you feel lost, come closer. If you feel weak, lean stronger. We are more than what they say. We are free.